Hi everyone, I've just got my R53 Cooper S here, and I've just replaced the reservoir to pump power steering hose, which you can see here. And I've just noticed I actually cut the hose in half to try and find where the leak was, and I couldn't find anything. So I'm hoping that it was the hose somehow leaking. So that's the bottom side of it. What I have noticed though is if you come back here, back to near the exhaust and look up. Sorry, I'll try and adjust my light here. You notice that this other power steering pipe here, which goes up, and there's a banjo bolt on the rack, and then the other part of it goes up to the other side of the reservoir at the bottom. But what I've noticed is that, see if you can see, you probably can't really see, but it has been rubbing. The pipe's been rubbing against this, which I thought may have been the cause of the leak. But yeah, it doesn't actually look like it's leaking. But what I'm going to do, because over time it's potentially going to leak, so I've got this piece of the old power steering hose that I just cut a piece off it, and I'm just going to use it as a sort of a protector like that, which is probably less likely to slip anywhere. Or the other option is to slip it around the smaller part and just cable tie it up. So yeah, just something for you to look at potentially if you want to prevent that pipe from rubbing through. So as you can see, I decided to wrap the piece of rubber hose around the steering pipe itself and just cable tied it up. So hopefully that stays in place, and hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.